Hello and welcome to Mac to iPhone. In today's video we will explore how to customize your Mac with spice up the folder icon with image and color like this. Here I am creating a new folder and we will customize this. First we will go to the folder get info by pressing Command I or right click and get info. Now from get info window click here and copy this. And now open a preview from Spotlight Search and open new from clipboard. Now go to tools and adjust color. Here you can make a change color by using this control panel. Then copy this and click here and click here in the get info window and paste this to change folder icon color. Now you can use your image as a folder icon. First you have to open an image from your Photos app, then right click and copy subject, then paste it to folder get info. That's all. Hope it is help you. Hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.